To unblock numbers on an Android phone first, we'll go to the Phone app. Make sure you have either recent calls or contacts selected from the bottom, and you'll see these three dots towards the right side of your screen. Tap them, and then choose Settings. From the call settings, we'll go to Block Numbers, which will show a full list of all the numbers and contacts that are currently blocked. To remove someone from the list and unblock their number, tap the minus button next to their numbers. The toggle on the top blocks Unknown Numbers, which means the type of calls where the caller is shown as unknown or no caller ID. Regular numbers are not affected by that toggle. On some phone models, the Messages app has a separate list of blocked contacts. On my phone, unblocking someone unblocks them from Messages as well, but you can check this by going to Messages, then to your profile, and from there choosing Spam and Blocked. You'll see a list of blocked conversations, and there's a similar menu to access blocked numbers. And there you have it. Depending on your phone model and Android version, the menus can look a little different, but the process is the same. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of easy tutorials like this.